4 practical tricks that are guaranteed to increase your confidence. Number 1. If you feel scared maintaining eye contact while talking to people, then while walking on the road, practice making gentle eye contact with random people coming from the opposite side and hold it until they break eye contact first. In the beginning, this will feel strange to you, but with time, your skill of maintaining eye contact with people will keep improving. Number 2. Do things that feel embarrassing to you. Do the simplest things, like filming yourself in public or wearing clothes that make you feel a little shy while wearing them. We are very afraid of getting embarrassed, so gradually expose yourself to embarrassment little by little over time. Doing this builds an internal immunity to dealing with the pressure of embarrassment. Number 3. Start seeing people at the same level as yourself. If you think of people as above you, you will start taking pressure to impress them. And if you look at people as below you, you will become rude and arrogant. So whenever you talk to someone, always keep in mind that there isn't that much difference between you and the other person. Ultimately, both of you are human. Number 4. Recent studies have found that your body language and posture directly impact your mood and confidence. That means just by fixing your posture, you can bring immediate changes to your confidence and your mental state.